grocery store. And we're going to check out its capabilities of shooting videos, see what kind of jello effects it might have and such. So let's check it out. I'm also going to be using the TX from the X500 because I like the feel of this TX. So here we go. Man, such a smooth flyer. The MJX X600, as I recall, has interference with the 808 kitchen camera, and hopefully this one doesn't. It is up pretty high, doing a little pan, and it's pretty high. It's about 100 meters there. Yeah, it's got good range and no interference, this one, I don't think. Nice. Nice flying. Great camera drone. No problem lifting the 808. Got lots of power. And pretty good distance. You can check out about 10 neighbors. No problem with that. See what they're doing in the backyard. Woo! Smooth as heck. A little wobble on the transition. The MJX wobble. But nevertheless, man, it's a really nice flyer. One of the nicest ones. Great beginner drone. Can carry a keychain camera without a problem. It looks fantastic. Look at how smooth it is. Nice. No problem carrying that camera around, for sure. Still do maneuvers. Pretty speedy.